Okay, so you've been to Morris Lubricants in Shrewsbury.
I have, yeah.
You've seen how we make oil. So today we're going to talk about why you should use a good quality oil.
Go
basically.
on.
So a leading question for you. So how long have you been working with agricultural equipment?
I've had my own tractor. Well, I started driving tractors when I was a kid, and then I've had my own tractors for 10 years, maybe.
Yeah.
So yeah, love the farming, mate.
So would it be fair to say you're relying on the quality of the lubricant to keep, during the busy agricultural season, to keep everything?
Well, you don't want your tractor to break down, do you?
No.
So, and for that to happen, to keep your tractor reliable, you've got to put the right stuff in it. I always service them, like my vans, whatever I've got, I always service it more than you should do.
Yeah.
So to keep it. To keep the tractor reliable, you've got to look after it right, and to look after it right means putting the right stuff in it.
So Morris Lubricants is serving you well?
All of my stuff, whether it's me drag bikes, me racing bikes, me mowers, me vans, me cars, tractors, everything's Morris.
Brilliant.
Whether it's grease, cleaning products, even your bloody hand cleaner, man. Even your hand cleaner's the best.
Yeah.
Your antifreeze, your soluble coolants for machinery, for machines, for CNC machines or lathes and mills. There isn't much you boys don't make.
Well, I mean, there's only one way of doing it properly, and that's just to do it properly. There's no half measures. So I mean, that's why we spend a lot of time in developing these quality, high performance products, because
I know you do. I've been down to see. I've been to your labs. I've seen how it's done. You boys are not messing about. Yeah. You're not messing about.
And it's important, and when we see people whose livelihoods depend upon the quality of the lubricant and the performance of the lubricant, we're morally obligated to get it right. People trust us to develop and produce the correct products to give you maximum service life, optimum equipment performance. Okay, so some examples of what can happen if you don't use a quality lubricant are, for example, modern Euro 6 compliant or Tier 4 Stage 5 compliant engines. DPFs can prematurely block.
Yeah, we've had that.
Yeah, okay, that's expensive to replace. AdBlue catalysts, they can be poisoned prematurely. Again, expensive to replace.
Yeah, I've seen that.
These oxidation catalysts on off-highway equipment, they can be poisoned, expensive to replace. So you've got all these kind of issues around poor quality, and if you don't want that to happen, you've got to get the correct quality, the correct performance in place. Now, hydraulic systems, hydraulic efficiency can be quickly downgraded if you start to get lots of pump wear, for example. You're not pumping under the required working pressure, so that can be an issue. We're stood in front of a tractor now. If you've got poorly formulated tractor transmission oils which don't provide you with good oil immersed or wet brake performance, you're going to get something called squawk and chatter, which is basically going to generate lots of vibration and wear in the clutch packs and various other things. Poor quality can cause lots of expensive repairs. So to make sure that we're getting the quality right, Morris Lubricants liaise with OEMs. So we have good relationships with many OEMs across many different market sectors. So we can fine tune our product offering to make sure we're ticking all their boxes. So we can kind of guarantee performance, longevity of components, and obviously maximum operational efficiency of those different types of vehicles. And you're experiencing that by the sounds of it. So
yeah. Well, with this job, my van job, but I think the most important thing is the project that I'm involved with is under the most stress is my mile bike. I mean, we've got that little engine that's in there that's putting out like 800 horsepower. I doubt there is anything out there under more stress than what that is. The amount of power it's putting out, the amount of torque it puts out, the amount of boost you're blowing through it to get the power to be able to achieve what we're trying to achieve, right? And I run it on Morris.
Brilliant.
I run it on Morris, right? And I don't think there is any harder test going than that little engine there, that the amount of stress that it's under. And it's done it, and it holds, I think at this point in time, it's Europe's fastest bike over a mile.
Really? Crikey.
Yeah, there's that side of things, and there's the tractor side of things, and then my vans, like my bloody last van did like 120,000 miles, never put a spanner on it. But now I've got another van. Yeah, we'll see if that does the same. But I put them through the paces by
because we realise that there isn't a compromise. You do it well or you don't do it at all, basically. Because there's so many things. I mean, the lubricant is such a critical fit now in all sorts of different equipment. Everything from, we talked about material handlers, we've talked about cars, bikes, tractors, and across the whole markets. But it's a critical fit to make sure you're getting maximum performance out of that equipment, and you're getting maximum component life as well, because that's the other thing. I mean, especially the agricultural world, you know, you don't want downtime, and if your business relies on that lubricant delivering the best performance, whether it's a tractor, a truck, whatever it happens to be, then you know that's as important to us as it is to the end user, because that's your livelihood. That's where you're making your money. So we can't fail anybody. We've got to get it right.
Well, you don't, do you?
No.
You do it right.
So you know, so for us,
do it right.
Quality is essential in terms of how we develop our products, bring them to market, and you know, and make people aware of what we're doing.
You don't need to convince me. You might need to be you don't need to convince me.
No, we know we're doing our job right with that kind of feedback.
You don't have to convince me, but I'll tell you now.
Yeah.
I'll tell you now.
That's brilliant.
No doubt in my mind, it's the best stuff.
Yeah, appreciate you.
Sound job, mate. Sound
Terrific.
job.
So if you'd like to see any more content like this, or any other videos with Guy, then visit the Morris Lubricants website or visit our YouTube channel.